Hello everyone. In today's hyper-connected world, data is as valuable as goods. Logistics isn't just about moving products anymore. It is about moving information securely. Every digital handover, every automated tracking system, every cloud-based operation adds efficiency, but also risk. That is why ISO 28000 is becoming the bridge between cybersecurity and logistics, ensuring that the world's supply chains stay safe, smart, and sustainable. Now, understanding ISO 28000 in the modern supply chain. ISO 28000 focuses on securing every aspect of your supply chain, from raw material sourcing to final product delivery. Traditionally, it was seen as a logistics security standard, protecting goods, routes, and operations. But as supply chains became digital, ISO 28000 evolved into a framework that also ensures data protection, system reliability, and digital resilience. Now, the digital transformation of logistics. The days are gone when supply chains were simple and linear. Today's supply chains are dynamic digital networks using IoT sensors, cloud platforms, and AI-based tracking systems. Every shipment sends thousands of data signals, from temperature logs to route tracking to customs updates. While this digitalization increases efficiency, it also introduces new risks. Hackers can manipulate tracking data, steal sensitive information, or disrupt logistics management systems. A single cyber breach can delay hundreds of deliveries, leading to financial loss and reputational damage. ISO 28000 helps organizations map these risks, identify digital dependencies, and ensure that cyber threats are treated as part of the overall supply chain risk management system. Now let's discuss how ISO 28000 incorporates cybersecurity. You might wonder, ISO 28000 is about logistics. So how does it involve cybersecurity? The answer lies in its risk-based structure. ISO 28000 requires organizations to identify all types of threats that could disrupt the supply chain. And in today's world, that includes cyber threats. The standard encourages companies to evaluate how hacking, data theft, ransomware, or phishing could affect their logistics operations. It promotes implementing technical controls like access management, encryption, monitoring systems, and backup recovery. In short, we can say that ISO 28000 transforms cybersecurity into an essential component of supply chain security. It also complements ISO IEC 27001, the global standard for information security. When both are implemented together, they create a unified system that secures both physical operations and digital information. Now, major cyber threats in logistics. Let's look at some of the most common cyber risks in the logistics world. Fake tracking or rerouting attacks, where hackers alter GPS data and send shipments off course. Phishing scams, where logistics staff receive fake customs emails that install malware. Data breaches, exposing sensitive supplier or client data. Ransomware, locking down warehouse systems and halting operations. IoT vulnerabilities, where unsecured devices like scanners or cameras become entry points for hackers. These risks can cripple an organization that doesn't take cybersecurity seriously. ISO 28000 ensures these threats are systematically identified, evaluated, and controlled before they cause real damage. Now, the part of risk-based thinking. One of ISO 28000's greatest strengths is its risk-based approach. Instead of giving rigid rules, it asks organizations to evaluate where their biggest vulnerabilities lie and design custom solutions accordingly. For example, a logistics company dealing with pharmaceuticals might prioritize securing temperature control data, while a port operator might focus on cyber physical systems controlling cranes. ISO 28000's flexibility helps organizations align cybersecurity priorities with operational goals, making protection practical and effective. ISO 28000 plus ISO 27001, complete security. When ISO 28000 is integrated with ISO IEC 27001, the result is a fully protected supply chain, both physically and digitally. ISO 27001 ensures that your information systems, servers, and databases are secure. ISO 28000 ensures that your logistics processes, transport routes, or supplier networks are secure. Together, they form a comprehensive defense system, preventing physical theft, data loss, and operational disruption. This integration also reduces duplication, simplifies audits, and provides a single unified management structure for both security domains. Now, your digital defense in motion. In a world where a single cyber attack can stop global trade, ISO 28000 is more than a compliance certificate. It is your digital defense system for logistics. By linking cybersecurity and supply chain operations, it ensures the smooth, safe, and secure movement of goods and data across borders. So whether you are managing a fleet, a factory, or a freight terminal, remember, protecting your cargo isn't enough. Protect your data, systems, and digital pathways too. Because in the modern supply chain, cybersecurity is logistics, and ISO 28000 is the bridge between them. Thanks for watching this detailed session, and I will see you in the next episode of TNV Academy.